Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make, well, we're going to copy somebody else's stuff, but we're going to make tasty burger sauce. This is fashioned after the In-N-Out burger in California, which is also fashioned after essentially Thousand Island dressing, except I'm not going to put the relish, the sweet relish. I'm just going to use some of the sweet pickle sauce. Anyhow, so it's made of a half a cup of regular mayonnaise, and I use Hellmann's, I prefer it. 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice, 3 tablespoons of regular ketchup, and here's where it's different than what a lot of people do. I've added 2 other things to it. I'm going to put a half teaspoon of paprika and an 1/8 of a spoon of cayenne pepper. And all we're gonna do is mix this together. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge for 1 hour and you'll be ready to use. You can keep it in the fridge for about 5 days if you keep it tightly covered. So here is our half a cup of mayonnaise. Here comes the 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice, 3 tablespoons of regular ketchup, I use Heinz, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and an eighth, not more than that, you can put more in it if you like to taste it before you do, an 1/8 of cayenne. And we're just going to mix this together. That's pretty good. That's going to be great on a hamburger.
That's like a really good burger sauce.
All right, outstanding.
A little bit spicy.
It's spicy. We gotta have a little spice sauce on that. By the way, you gotta check out that video. Yeah, that's perfect. Hey, listen, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.